my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we are catching up with ColourPop. I should say I am catching up with ColourPop, and I'm talking about the Powerpuff Girls collection. This is currently available. I know that we already kind of talked about this earlier in the summer, but I'm just not doing the most to keep up with all the ColourPop releases right now. But I still wanted to give you this little quick bonus video just to give you the close-ups, give you the swatches. We're going to do some other fun stuff. So you can pick up this collection. Everything is still available except for a couple of the bundles and the roller glosses, but the affiliate codes do work on this entire collection, including the full collection kit, which is pretty awesome because it's already discounted. So you can use my affiliate code. It's just Amanda in all caps to save 10%. This is an affiliate code, so I do earn a little commish if you decide to use it. And thank you to everybody who does so to support the channel. And if not, no big deal, no pressure from me. Also, not sure if this collection will be available at Ulta or not. It's not currently on the Ulta site, and I haven't seen anything confirming or denying that it will be there, but I have noticed that a lot of the special collections do eventually make their way to the Ulta site. We've seen the Barbie collection, the Lizzie McGuire collection, the Sailor Moon. A lot of the collabs eventually end up on the Ulta site, so keep an eye out for this one. I do not know definitively yes or no will it be there, but it seems like their collab collections have been, for the most part, always ending up over on the Ulta site. Okay, let's take a look at these products. We do have 3 different hair clip sets. This is something that we originally saw introduced. I think the Cherry Crush collection was the first one where we saw these little hair accessories. These are super duper cute. We have one for each of the Powerpuff Girls, and they are priced at $5 a piece. So you get 2 little matching clips with this set. I like this idea. I think the accessories are a really fun direction for them to go in. And speaking of entirely new products, we have a Soul Body product here that is a bubble bath bar. This is the first bubble bath bar, I believe. Ooh, maybe not. I don't do as well keeping up with Soul Body, but I want to try to because I do enjoy the Soul Body and Fourth Ray products. This bar is $9 and it is scented. According to the website, it's scented with cherry blossom and watermelon. Now, the bubble bar smells really, really good, and it kind of overtook the smell of my entire PR package, but we also have a lip mask kit. Speaking of things that smell really good, this is priced at $20. It has 2 different lip masks in here, and this is one of my favorite products from Fourth Ray. I use the coconut lip mask religiously. These new scents are so yummy. They literally smell like a Bath & Body Works. This sugar and spice lip mask is vanilla chai flavored. And then Everything Nice, this pinky one, is funfetti cake flavored. It smells so good. And when you take a look inside, you'll see it has a really different finish. It's not just the typical like plain waxy kind of balm look. This one has little glitters inside. I know that we saw this, I think it was at the Mulan one. I just think this is a cute little fun touch. Now we're taking a look at the roller gloss kit. These are not sold individually. They are only sold in the kit, and this is the only like main staple item that is completely sold out. So there are some other bundles that are no longer available, but the roller gloss kit is priced at $24. Each one is individually scented. So the Blossom gloss is watermelon flavored. The Buttercup gloss, that's the green one, is green apple. And then the Bubbles one is blue raspberry. Now this is the same little metal roller ball type of applicator that we've seen in just a couple of other collections. This isn't my particular favorite product just because it's a clear gloss. It just doesn't do that much for me, but nostalgia wise, I do think that this really fits in with this collection. So I get it, I just don't love it. However, I do like these little blushes. These are priced at 12 US dollars a piece. There's two different colors. The packaging, just back to front, every piece of this collection is so cute. And I think the blushes are probably the best overall example of that. I love the little heart-shaped blush pan inside. They do have a little mirror in there as well. These are just 10 out of 10, super cute. Both of the blushes are a completely matte finish. No little micro glitters in there to mess with my mind. Now, I've said in the past, their powder blushes tend to be very basic and very one note when they come out with these little special collections. And I do think they did a better job just giving us more interesting shades in this collection, particularly this really bright pink blush. It doesn't feel like a reinterpretation of the same blushes over and over again. So I think, the peach one is kind of the same thing again that we've seen, but this bright pink blush called Fighting Crime is really exceptional. It's one of my top favorite picks from this collection, and overall I just think these are both super duper cute. Now we have 3 color sticks. I love seeing some of the villains portrayed here. These color sticks are priced at 7 US dollars a piece. Again, the packaging, the details, the little villains on the inside. I think they did an exceptionally good job packaging this collection. And I always like their packaging, but this one just really gets me right in the feels. Now the color sticks are a twist up. All 3 of these shades are very, very metallic. They're all named after some of our favorite Powerpuff Girls villains. And you may be surprised to hear this, but I think that these color sticks are more interesting than the palette. I don't know why, because I'm usually just such a palette stan, and I will always love my ColourPop palettes, but I'm more drawn to these color sticks. I like these more in the context of this collection, and I just think that they're exciting. They're really bright and metallic. They're super easy to use. They layer up nicely. They have a good opacity. They fit the theme. The packaging's on point. I'm just surprisingly a really big fan of these, and I do prefer these color sticks over the palette. Now we're going to take a look at the Powerpuff Girls palette. The pressed powder palette is priced at 22 US dollars. Now that is a heftier price point. The collabs are always more expensive, but you'll see a little bit later on that this is one of the larger size palettes. So in addition to all of this exceptional packaging, holographic finishes, all of the bells and whistles, we're also getting a huge amount of product in here. We do have several shades that are not intended for the eye area, some of them because they're pressed glitter, some of them because they are those neon pigments. I will link my video below where I talk about patch testing and why you should do it. I've said it a million times, I won't reiterate that here. But I do want to point out this palette has the same sort of heft and weightiness that the Limoncello palette had. It feels very luxurious. It has a big mirror. It's got all the custom packaging. We've got some custom little stamped pans here. Everything about this is just really, really well done, including the shade layout, which is in little vertical trios in my opinion, and I will swatch it that way because I believe that these little trios are meant to be sort of used together, grouped together. Not that that's a hard and fast rule, but that is how I'll be swatching them. And I just wanted to show you the size difference here. I had So Very Lovely sitting out, and this is one of their standard 12 pan palettes. As you can see, the packaging itself is larger and the eyeshadow pans are quite a bit larger as well. So if you have one of these regular 12 pan palettes, this Powerpuff Girls one is bigger, and if you have limoncello, it's the same size, same sort of luxurious, hefty packaging with the extra big pans. Now, last thing I'm going to do is show you the swatches of this palette. We have the finger swatches on top, brush swatches below. Of course, I do not brush swatch glitters. They're just not meant to be applied that way. And I will say, I'm very sorry, I'm not going to be doing any swatch comparisons in this video. I just wanted to quickly give you my initial thoughts and show you the close-ups and kind of give you the scoop. But I will be doing swatch comparisons on my Instagram page. I haven't done that in a while, and I want to try to get back into that. So go check out Makeup.Just.For.Fun on Instagram. I'll take requests, and that way you'll get to see exactly the comparisons that you want to see. So what could be better? Oh wait, actually, I can think of something that would be better. I bought the entire full collection and I'm going to give it away to one of you. So go check the description box for all of the details about how long this will be running, how to enter. There'll be a little link down there with a form for you to fill out. That is completely confidential. I'm the only one that has access to the answers that you submit to that form. I just use that to safely and securely run this giveaway, especially since my giveaways on Instagram have been having some issues with people making fake profiles of me and then trying to scam you, and that's not cool at all. So I'm going to be sticking to these more secure forms for giveaways for the time being, and I'm very excited to give away the full Powerpuff Girls collection to you. That was not sponsored by ColourPop. I bought it to give it away to you. So I think that'll be really fun. It's just a way for me to just tell you how much I appreciate you, especially everybody who's just been so kind and understanding with me needing a little bit of extra time to get my videos ready and just taking a little bit of time for myself to hang out with my family this summer. I understand sometimes it's disappointing when I don't have the videos up ahead of launch like I usually do, and I just appreciate everybody being patient with me and being understanding. And I want to give something back to you. You're the best. We have such a great little community here. And I also want to hear what you think about this collection. Did you order anything? Are you very nostalgic for the Powerpuff Girls? Which things are your favorites? Which things are you putting on your wish list? I always love to hear what you think about things too. So make sure you leave all your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you go and enter the giveaway. And make sure you know how much I appreciate you and I love your face. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!